Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to add Locket widget on your iPhone home screen 2025 update. If you have just set up Locket or updated iOS, here's the new way to get your friends' live photos showing right on your screen. First of all, you'll have to make sure Locket is installed and logged in. Open the App Store, search for Locket widget, and install it if you haven't already. Then sign in with your phone number or your email address and allow all permissions. Next, what you're gonna do is go to your iPhone's home screen and then tap and hold any empty space on your screen until the icons start to jiggle. Next, what you're gonna do is go to the edits and then click on add widget. Here, what you're gonna do is use the bar and scroll down to find the list to Locket widget option and tap to preview the different widget sizes. And then choose your preferred widget size, small widget, medium widget, and then tap widget to place it on your home screen. Tap done in the top right corner to lock it in place, and you can move it anywhere on your home screen just like an app icon. And to customize your widget behavior, optional, long press the widget, tap edit widget, and then here you can select the which friends you can show, change rotation settings, or toggle auto refresh depending on the latest Locket app version. A privacy tip: only add trusted friends to your Locket. Photos sent to the widgets app appear on your home screen, so keep your friends list personal. Quick fix: if the widget does not show up, restart your iPhone after installing Locket. Make sure you're on iOS 17 or later for the latest widget features. If Locket does not appear in the widget gallery, delete and reinstall the app. Then try again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.